In front of me is SONY Xperia 5 and let me show you how to activate Google Backup on the following device. So first of all, just open list of all apps, go to the settings then, and reach System. Go to Backup then, and unless it is active, just click on the switcher to activate Google Backup. Go to Account then, make sure that you are connected to Wi-Fi, and at first let's enter your email address or phone number, whichever is connected with your Google account. In my case it is email address, as you can see, then click on Next. Now it's time to enter the password, so I will do it off the screen. And here it is, click on Next then. And now go with all Google Terms of Service, Google Play Terms of Service, and also Privacy Policy. Click on I agree if you do agree with all the terms and conditions, and then click on Accept to confirm your selection of this Google service. And that's it, you've just activated Google Backup, and your backup includes apps and app data, call history, contacts, device settings, and also messages. Tap on OK to finish the whole operation, and that's it. As you can see, you don't have to worry about your data as it is well protected. So that's it, thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.